Hey everyone, Matt here. Today we're here to talk about steel doors. For most residential uses, Therma-Tru offers two options, the Profiles line and the Traditions line. Both feature a wood edge and the same insulating polyurethane core. The Profiles door has a 24 gauge steel skin and has a triple shadow embossing around the panel, providing a high definition sticking. The Traditions door has a 25 gauge steel skin and has a standard panel sticking. Gauge refers to the thickness of a piece of steel. The lower the number, the thicker the sheet. Therefore, a 24 gauge Profiles door is thicker than a 25 gauge Traditions door. While a wood edge steel door works well in most applications, some openings need even more strength. In those cases, there's also a steel edge door option. Here the wood edge is replaced with a steel edge, creating a sturdier design that's ideal for garage to home entry doors. When paired with a proper frame, it can achieve up to a 90-minute fire rating. Steel doors are cost-effective and can perform well overall, though they can rust or dent more easily than fiberglass doors. It really comes down to where the door is going. Wood edge works great for most entryways, but when you need more strength and safety, steel edge is the way to go.